Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to buy and sell natural gas by using VWAP and RSI. So today I am going to give a complete tutorial on how to buy natural gas by using VWAP and RSI. So in this video I will be giving you the complete setup also, like how we can set up the chart and how we have to take an entry. So all those things I will be sharing through this video. So watch completely this video, then you will be getting a better idea on how to take an entry on natural gas. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain how to buy natural gas by using VWAP and RSI. So this is like one of the most strategy we can use for any of the commodity trading. So this strategy will be very good if you are taking an entry at the right time. You can make a good profit with minimum stop loss. And nowadays, like most of the people are thinking like commodity market is very risky, and most of the people are coming to the equity market only because they don't know like what is commodity market or like what are the timing of commodity market. So if you are going with the commodity market, we can trade from morning 9 a.m. to night 11:30 p.m. So that is an advantage. Like almost we are getting more than 12 to 14 hours you can trade in a day. So that is the advantage of commodity market. So apart from that, if you see the risk level also, it is very less compared to equity market. Like if you are trading Bank Nifty or Nifty, if you are trading one or two lot, like you are taking 1000 rupees or 2000 risk per lot. So the same risk you have to take in natural gas also. If you are buying one lot, if you are buying at the correct entry, the 1 point stop loss is more than enough. The first thing I will show you the lot size of natural gas. So the natural gas lot size will be, so if you click on the buy size, here you can see the lot size will be, so here you can see 1250. So each 1 point there will be 1250 profit or loss. So it means like 1 point if you maintain stop loss, the maximum risk will be only 1250 rupees. It means like the same like you are buying Bank Nifty or Nifty. So the same risk if you take in commodities, we can make a better profit because here there is no premium reductions or there is no like time take also. Like if you are buying today, it's not like we can sell within 11:30 because we have a lot of time also. Like even if you take commodity market within the 3:30 we have to sell, but here you will be getting a better time also, and you can take a good entry also. Like based on VWAP and RSI, you can take a better entry, and your risk level like only 1 point stop loss you have to maintain. So the risk level will be very less, like only 1250 rupees you are taking risk. So if your entry is at bottom level, 1 point stop loss is more than enough. So the risk level will be very less. So that is the advantage of commodity market, and especially like natural gas and all is very good for commodity trading. And now let us see the settings also, like what are the settings I am doing for taking an entry for natural gas, like VWAP and RSI. Okay, first thing like we have to click on the natural gas. So here you can see there is a chart. So just click on the chart. So once you click on the chart, you will be moving to the chart page. So here you can see there are some settings I have already done. So I will remove my settings. So once I remove the settings, I will show you from the beginning. We have to go to the studies. So the studies we have to type VWAP. So once you type VWAP will be coming here, and this will be added to your chart. So this red line you can see, this red line is a VWAP line. So the first setting is done. Now the second thing is we have to do the RSI. Again we have to go to the studies. We have to type as RSI. So you can see the RSI is here. So just click on the RSI. So you can see the RSI is added here. So this area you can see there is an RSI is added. So RSI you have to do some editing also. So go to the RSI. Here you can see there is an edit option. So just click on the edit option, and you have to change the period as 3, okay, because the 3 is very good actually. That is the reason I am also using this 3. So it will be getting a better result by using this. And overbought will be 80 and oversold will be 20. So there is no other changes you have to do. Then you have to submit. So these are the major things you have to do for taking natural gas entry. So now our settings is done. Like we have done the RSI and we have done the VWAP as well as. So now we have to see the entry also, like how we can take an entry by using this tool. So like early morning we can see, and the second thing is like we have to select the candle here. Okay, so here you can see the time frame. So here you can see the time frame. So time frame we have to keep as 5-minute candle. So the it will be 5 minutes, and the candle you can see here. So here you can see the candle. So the candle will be Heikin-Ashi candle. So here you can see Heikin-Ashi candle. So you have to make it as Heikin-Ashi candle. And here you can see the day. It will be like 1 day. So you have to select as 1 day. So these are the options you have to select like when you are going for a natural gas. Now the setting is done. So the first thing is that we have to do VWAP, we have to do RSI, and we have to see the time frame, we have to see the candle, and we have to see the data range also. Like 1 day we have to select because we are trading for intraday. So these are the major settings you have to do for trading natural gas. And now second thing is like our entry. Okay, like where we can take an entry. So today also in my Telegram channel also I have provided a entry on natural gas. So early morning even I have given a call on natural gas. And you can see this is the area, like as I told you, like once it is crossed the VWAP line. So here you can see early morning it was going down. So as soon as it crossed the VWAP line, so the candle should be above the VWAP line. It does not touch the VWAP line, but it should be above the VWAP line. So there is a green candle. If it is coming above VWAP line, we can go for a buy side. And here you can see like early morning you can see the exactly the candle was closing, and my buying side was like in the Telegram channel also I have provided. My buying price was the same price. You can see like it is crossed the VWAP line, and where we have taken an entry here. So this was my buying price, and my stop loss also was just 1 point. So the maximum risk will be only 1,250. So that was the risk I have given. So based on that risk we can take a better profit from the market. So only thing is that if you take an entry at right time. So here you can see. So here you can see, if you take an entry here, this area our stop loss will be just below the VWAP line. And if you see the RSI also, here you can see the RSI also should be above 80. Then we will be getting a 2 confirmation also, like RSI also is good and even the VWAP line also is good. So this kind of thing entry you can take without even because the risk level will be very less, because you are maintaining only 1 point stop loss. So here you can see like if you take an entry at 15, so 14 also you can see after that it is not even coming to that area. So once it is crossed the VWAP line, it is going such a way up. So with the second, like with the first candle should be above the VWAP line, we can take an entry. Should not touch. See, if you see here, there are 2 green candles. So this area you can see. So this area you can see there is a 2 green candle, but here and all we can't take an entry because you can see that it is not crossing the VWAP line. So once it is crossed the VWAP line, here you can see the third candle, you can see it is crossed the VWAP line. So that candle we can take an entry, and you can see like 1 point stop loss is more than enough for you to take an entry. And how much profit you will be getting. And if you see the entire day, and if you see the entire day, you can see like what is the movement it is happened in natural gas after that. So this was our entry point. So this area was our entry point, and after that you can see like almost 10 points movement. So 10 point movement, just imagine like if you are buying one lot also, you can make more than 10,000 rupees profit, and our risk level is only 1,000 to 250. So this is the risk level we are taking. And if you wait for a longer time, or if you can exit like immediately also, you can see like this is immediately it was gone to more than 4 to 5 points. Like within 1 to 2 hours we are getting like more than 5,000 to 6,000 rupees profit. So this is how we have to take an entry. So only thing is that the major thing is that you have to check the VWAP line. Once it is crossed the VWAP line, the first candle you can take an entry, okay. But only thing is that the candle should not touch the VWAP. So it's above the VWAP line, first green candle or a red candle, we can take an entry. So if it is a green candle, we can go for buying of natural gas, and if it is a red candle, we can go for selling of natural gas. And when you are buying, it should be above 80, okay. So here you can see the RSI is above 80. So this area you can see this is above 80, and there is one candle should be formed above VWAP line. So this is a buying condition. And now I will show you the selling condition also. See, in this case we can see there is a selling situation. Like here you can see it is crossing the VWAP line. So it means it is coming down below the VWAP line. So in this case we can take a sell call. So here you can see with the second candle like just below the VWAP line, this is a pure candle, and this candle itself we can take a sell call here, and our stop loss will be just above the VWAP line. And you can see like after that it is like almost 2 point fall from there. So 2 point also you can make 2,500 rupees profit from there. So our maximum risk will be only 1,250. So this is how we can take. And when you are taking a sell call, you have to see the RSI value. The RSI value should be below 20. So these are the two conditions. Like when you are going for a natural gas, like buying side, should be above 80. RSI should be above 80, and the candle should be above VWAP line. The green candle should be above VWAP line. And when you are going for a sell side, the RSI value should be below 20, and the red candle should be below the VWAP line. So this is how we can buy natural gas. So now I will show you like the same call even I have provided in my Telegram channel also, and you can see like what is the result and where I have taken an entry also. So I will be showing you that also. So let us move to my Telegram channel. Okay, now let us see my Telegram channel. So in my Telegram channel also you can see I have mentioned like natural gas buy above 215. So this is the same thing I already explained just now. So this is how we are getting an entry based on VWAP and RSI. So the same thing you can see like above VWAP line I told to enter into natural gas like above 215, and you can see the exact thing like after VWAP line you can see like the buying started. Like after that exactly if you enter at right time, you can see the movement also like within 1 point stop loss you can make a better profit from the commodity market. And you can see like based what is the profit, and like within you can see like within, so you can see the time like around 10:09 I have given the call, and you can see like within 30 minutes it has reached 216. It means like per lot we can make like almost 1,250 rupees. So within 1 hour, within half an hour we can make the profit. So after that you can see like the natural gas profit was running, and the same thing here you can see like after that it was went to 217, and even like you can see like what is my profit for the end today. So almost I have traded 2 lot, and you can see like what is the profit I have done for today. So the same thing you can see here. So in this graph also you can see like exactly where we have taken an entry, and you can see the movement also like almost today almost 10 points movement is happened in natural gas, only because of our entry was at the right time. And always we have to enter at the bottom level. So if you see here this area, so this area will be our entry, okay. So this is a bottom level entry. So always we have to enter at the bottom level. Like as soon as it is crossing the VWAP line, we have to take an entry. Like if you take an entry here and all, we have to see the stop loss will be huge stop loss. So don't take an entry like once it is moving like this area, and if you take an entry you can see like there is a fall down. So we have to maintain like more than 2 to 3 points stop loss. So don't take an entry like that. So if you take, some people they might seeing like green candle like moving up, they will take an entry here and all. So if you take an entry, if you see the stop loss, like you have to maintain more than 5 points stop loss. So 5 points stop loss if you maintain, you have to maintain more than 3 to 4,000 rupees stop loss. So instead of that, you have to buy, always you have to buy nearby the VWAP line. So as soon as it cross the VWAP line, you have to enter there, and our stop loss should be just below the VWAP line. Like only 1 point stop loss we have to maintain. So the maximum risk will be only 1,250 rupees. So this is maximum risk for 1 lot. So in the same thing you can see even like copper also same thing was happened. Like today morning if you see Excel, you can see like copper also was going beyond the BWAP line, and after that it is for going up such a way up. So any commodities we can use this strategy. Okay, if you are going for the natural gas or commodity copper or crude oil, anything you can use this strategy, and your stop loss will be just below the BWAP line, and you can make a better profit from the commodity market. So the risk will be like you have to manage the risk based on the stop loss. So don't maintain huge stop loss in commodity market. So always you have to enter at the right time. Like if you enter here and all, we have to maintain huge stop loss. So always try to enter this area. So here if you enter, our stop loss will be only 1 point. So the risk level will be very less. And finally you can see like what is the current output. Here you can see what is natural gas. So natural gas is went up almost 10 points up today, and this is we can see the profit also. Like those who are trading in my group, you can see like what are the profit they are making. So all those things you can see here, and this is absolutely a free group. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join to this group. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join to this group. So this group will be absolutely free. And the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. Like if you are opening in Alice Blue, the margins will be very less. Okay, like if you are in Angel Broking and all, like for trading commodity natural gas, you may have to pay like almost 12,000 rupees per lot. But when you are going for a when you are going with Alice Blue, the per lot it will be like 5,000 to 6, like within 10,000 you can trade any commodities. So that is the advantage of Alice Blue. So like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can go to my description and you can open the account. And the same way you can join to this group as well as and the same way you can join to this my Telegram channel also. The link I have mentioned in the description. So like for joining and other or opening account, you can visit my description and you can join my group and you can open the account also. So hope today's topic is clear. If you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. In the same way, you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.